Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got issue 38 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. In this issue we're doing some more work with our thoracic cage and our vertebra joints. So in the magazine, this is what we get. These are the steps that we're going to be doing today. There's not too many steps, it should be quite a short video. Our sci-fi cinema legend is Justice League. And our real world science. And also what's coming up in next week's issue. So let's get these parts open and start building issue 38. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our packaging, and very simply we're going to take this part and this part. We're going to put them together like that and get our third piece. I'm going to put that over the top. And this has got our hole in it that we can use one of these screws to stick through and combine all three pieces together. Just like that. That's that part done. The only other piece it wants us to have is this little piece here. We are going to be bringing back part of our thoracic cage, which is here, and you can see that it's sort of like a half circle shape with like a key slot either side. That's going to slot straight down in there, and then we're going to use one of these screws to screw it in. And that is pretty much all we've got to do in this issue. So yeah, all we have to do is get our screw, turn this over, and we're going to locate the screw in the back of here, straight down the middle, and lock that into place. And that is it. And believe it or not, that is all we have to do in this issue. Not very much at all, I know, but we knew we were going to get issues like this somewhere down the line where we weren't going to have that much to do. So next week we are expand the thoracic cage and connect the left and right shoulders is what we're doing next week. I'll put a big blow up on the screen of this picture now so you can have a good look. And yeah, so join me then. That'll be out next week, and I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I will see you next time.